Yornew builds the toughest intelligent manufacturing line for a country in Middle East, creating a new car for the education industry. Yornew team conducted in-depth training for foreign professionals for more than 10 days. Training includes CNC programming, visual detect, PLC technology, digital twin system, electrical automation, C language, robot technology, AGV, AMR technology, laser engraving, robotic welding, etc. Professionals consider this intelligent manufacturing line to be the best and most cost-effective in the world.